Hello students, today we will see some important formulae which are needed for solving the problems. So first one is the pitch circle, which is defined as PC. So this is circular pitch or pitch of the circle. So that is pi dp divided by t, where dp is pitch circle diameter and T is number of teeth on the gear. The second one is the PD, that is diameter or diametral pitch. So that is T by dP. So again, where T is number of teeth and dP is pitch circle diameter, or it can be defined as 1 by m, where m is module. The third one is the module m. So formula for module is 1 by PD, that is diametral pitch, or we can write it as dP by T, or we can write it as PC by pi circular pitch. So therefore PC is equals to pi into m, and dP we can write it as m into T. Okay. Now we can write PC into PD as pi dP by T into T by dP. So that value will give you pi. So if you see how it will get cancelled here, dP and dP gets cancelled, T and T gets cancelled. So when you multiply the circular pitch and the diametral pitch, you have to get pi value. Then the fifth formula which we will learn is the velocity ratio, is n1 by n2 d2 by d1 t2 by t1. So this n is the speed with which the shafts are rotating, and d is the diameter, t is the number of teeth. So velocity ratio is equal to gear ratio. So both velocity and gear ratio is same. The next one is the L, that is center length or center distance. So that is given by dP1 plus dP2 divided by 2, or T1 into m plus T2 into m divided by 2. So here dP1 is pitch circle diameter for two shafts, shaft 1 and shaft 2 here, or gear 1 and gear 2 here. Okay. So as we are discussing about gears, it is about the pitch diameter or pitch circle diameter of gear, that is the driving gear and the driven gear respectively. So we can write this as m by 2 into T1 plus T2. So this formula can be written like this. Next, power transmission. So power transmission, that is P, if they ask us to calculate the value of P, it is given as F pi into N divided by 1000 into 60 kilowatt, or you can write it as 2 pi T into N divided by 1000 into 60 kilowatt, where T is equal to, that is torque, F into R, where F is the force. So F is the force. So if in all the cases, if D or dP is used, then it is the pitch diameter of the gear. So these are the important formulae which we will have to remember to solve the problems. I hope you have noted down these formulae so as to solve the problems.